Kevadiya Railway Station, the closest railway station to the Statue of Unity. In fact, the station was made to make the Statue of Unity more accessible to the tourists. From here, the statue is just 7 kilometers. Inaugurated by a Prime Minister on the 17th of Jan 2021, the station is functional but is still under construction. From Kevadiya, you now get direct trains to Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Varanasi, Ahmedabad and Rewa in Madhya Pradesh. There is also a local train to Pratapnagar, which is basically Vadodara. The station building is swanky and pretty big. At the entrance itself, you can see the illuminated figure of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the tricolour, on whom the Statue of Unity is made. The building comprises of ground plus 3 floors, and only the ground floor is operational as of now. If you look at the floor plan at the entrance, you can see the facilities and amenities that will soon be provided in the building. There will be 6 retiring rooms. Now, retiring rooms are like hotel rooms which can be used to stay by a passenger on a sort of hourly basis with a valid ticket. The retiring room of this station is almost ready and looks like a nice hotel room. Then there will be a food court, executive lounge, an art gallery and other amenities and facilities. Now let's address the 3 main factors we look for when reaching a new place: local transport, food and stay. So first point, local transport. You can almost always find a bus for the Statue of Unity standing at the station. This bus will only go to the Statue of Unity and the ride is free. Though there isn't any rickshaw stand here, if you're lucky you may see an auto rickshaw. Apart from that, there is a bus stop on the highway next to the station from where you can get government buses. There is one across the road as well for people who want to go to the other direction. Second point, food. In the station complex itself, there is a food plaza by IRCTC which is not fully functional yet. Currently, you will only get packaged foods, basically chips, biscuits, namkeen, etc. and also ready-to-eat vegetable biryani and rajma chawal, which just needs to be heated in a microwave. The other option is to walk a bit from the station to the Ekta Dwar, which is the official entry to the entire Statue of Unity area. From here starts the carnival lights, which you can see at night. Just behind this Ekta Dwar is a small shop which sells tea, cold drinks, water, wafers, biscuits, etc. They're soon planning to start selling samosa and vadas as well. The next option is Kevadiya Colony, a 10 minutes walk from the station. From the highway, you will have to take a left for Kevadiya Colony. If you go straight, you will reach the Statue of Unity. The roads here are dusty, so shoes will be a better option if you plan to walk. This road doesn't have street lights and it gets pretty dark in the night. Walking becomes a bit scary at night. Scary, right? On this road, you can also see the end of the railway tracks. So as I said, 10 minutes of walking and you reach Kevadiya Colony. You won't find any fancy restaurants here, but you will find places to take care of all your meals. Coming to the third point, stay. Right inside the station building itself, you have 6 retiring rooms to stay. It's not open yet, but is almost ready. As I said, retiring rooms are like hotel rooms where a passenger can stay if he has a valid ticket to catch a train from there or he has just arrived at that station. Next option is the Sardar Sarovar Resort, bang opposite the station. Apart from this, you can get all sorts of accommodation near the Statue of Unity. So that was about the Kevadiya Railway Station, which is the station for the Statue of Unity. Do subscribe and share the video among your friends. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will answer according to my knowledge of the place. Also, please note that you can't book tickets to Kevadiya from any other online platforms apart from IRCTC, at least for now.